I'm breaking out. I get perioral dermatitis. Whenever I get the dermatitis, I literally can't use anything on my face. Can't use tretinoin. I can't use sunscreen. I can maybe use a little bit of essence on my face, and that's really it. And I can't even use like any moisturizer. But my perioral dermatitis is starting to go away, so now I can get back on my skincare regimen. But I literally started breaking out. First thing is I take my vitamins. I have my cup of coffee, my water, and my noni juice for antioxidants. I grew up in Thailand. I remember we used to eat like noni. It's like a fruit. And I was like, oh my gosh, this literally reminds me of my childhood. So I've been drinking a shot of noni juice every single day. I'm moving, so literally everything is chaotic. My therapist said that I needed to pack 1 box a week because I procrastinate so much. So that's what I've been doing the last month of January, was packing 1 box, not per day, 1 box per week. Everything has been mostly packed, but it means I'm missing a lot of stuff, like essential cooking stuff. Because I'm moving, I try not to buy a lot of food because 1, I don't like wasting food. 2, I really just want to have what I need for the rest of the days that I'm here in Colorado. I'm moving to Los Angeles. Nurses get paid more there versus in Colorado. Like all of my nursing friends are literally making $50,000 a year, which is like not livable, especially with the living costs going up every single year. Luckily, my fiance, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm engaged, by the way. Luckily, my fiance found us an apartment the same price that we pay for this apartment in Colorado. Colorado is getting insanely expensive. I don't have any food in my fridge. So we're gonna go grocery shopping. I swear to God, my confidence level whenever I get acne is because I used to have acne in high school. And now I'm like, if I even get 1 pimple, the world is ending. Let's go grocery shopping. I suck at cooking. I hate cooking. I can't follow directions, so that's why I suck at cooking. So I feel like if I can do these recipes, then you guys can too. And I eat really simple stuff. Like I literally just focus on veggies, carbs, and protein. Growing up as an immigrant, I remember I used to call my parents mama and papa, and then I got made fun of in school. I literally grew up around like predominantly white people, and they'd be like, why do you call your mom and dad mama and papa? And so I literally started calling them mom and dad to fit in. And now I'm like, damn, I literally got colonized and I made it so easy for them to do that. So now I'm trying to get in the habit of like calling my mom mama again. When I was younger, my mama would be like, hey, you need to pay attention and watch how I'm making all these foods. So then when you're older, you can cook for yourself at home. And I was like, no, I don't need to do that. Why would I need to do that? Yeah, now I'm really regretting it. Imagine if I could make myself all the Thai food in the world. Now, I literally don't know how to cook. I don't know how to cook Thai food. And whenever I visit my mama, I get so excited because she is the best cook ever. Is in disarray right now. For breakfast, I like to have an avocado toast, but I already packed my toaster. For breakfast, I really like to focus on making quick and easy meals. So I usually will have like a boiled egg with an avocado toast, and then I'll slice up some tomatoes to go along with it. kind of hungry because I feel like one avocado toast is just not enough. So I'm actually gonna have my protein shake before I go work out. I usually drink my protein shake after. Today I need something a little more to carry me over. It's really, really important that you eat enough protein. I feel like it's kind of hard to do that. That's why I like protein powders. I like whey protein. That's what I prefer. I'm trying a new protein shake. It's from SuperJelly. 1 scoop has 23 grams of protein. And I also have another flavor in chocolate espresso and matcha latte. This is the flavor that I'm going to try today. The magic ratio is 1 scoop of SuperJelly protein, 4 ounce milk, and 4 ounce water in a shaker. This is actually so good. What the heck? It tastes just like matcha, like you're drinking a matcha latte. Not very sweet, which I love because I don't like super sweet stuff. If you guys are interested in getting yourself some amazing, tasty SuperJelly protein powder, click the link in my description box. I'm gonna chug this whole thing. That's how I like to drink my protein powder, is I just like to chug it. Post gym sesh. You guys like my PJs? I like to stay comfortable, especially when I'm at home and I'm not planning on leaving my house for the rest of the day because today it's a snow day and I'm staying in. Sorry, I have a bunch of moving boxes over here. For lunch, I really want to try this homemade Supreme Crunch Wrap. I've never tried it before, but it looked pretty easy enough, something that I could easily do myself. All you really need is flour tortilla, cheese, ground beef, some veggies of your choice. I like cilantro. Lately I've been super into putting cilantro on everything. Romaine lettuce, add more veggies like maybe spinach or tomatoes, and some type of salsa. Forgot to add that you also need some sour cream. For the Supreme Crunch Wrap, this is where I messed up, okay? So you're putting in all of your ingredients on the tortilla. What I wish I would have done is just kind of like mix the sour cream and the cheese a little better instead of just putting it on top, kind of like that. My Supreme Crunch Wrap actually fell apart. It was a fat Supreme Crunch Wrap, but we made it work. As many ingredients as she does in the video, but like my Supreme Wrap still fell apart. Let's see how it tastes. I want to add a little bit of salsa in there because it's a little dry. If I can get this thing open. Okay, this looks really good, but does it taste good? I think needs a little more. Ah! So we're gonna get really bundled up. It's so cold. It's so cold today. But it'll be worth it. It'll feel really good to get out of the house.
The reason why we're doing this is because pictures, until they become normal in our head, that's the best way to do it, personally for me.
Guys, the paintings that she makes, like, it's crazy. She works on these paintings for months on end.
Dinner is the time where I'm like, I get really overwhelmed. I'm super tired, so I really want something quick. So we're just gonna do steak rice with some type of veggies. I have all of my ingredients for my steak. I like to just cook the steak by itself with just butter. That's really it. I just prepare all of the seasoning on this little cutting board. Jasmine rice, that's my favorite type of rice. I literally just go to the Asian market and buy myself a huge bag because one is cheaper. Cilantro, zucchini and squash, baby spinach. I like these little peppers to add with my steak. Salt, pepper, onion powder, minced garlic. That's really it, girlfriend. First, we're gonna get started on the rice because it's the easiest and it also takes the longest. realized that this is not squash, this is actually just cucumber. Step one, we're gonna chop up our cilantro. I put my cilantro on top of my steak, and then we're gonna put some butter with these little peppers on this cutting board and then start to actually season the butter. I take my zucchini and kind of fry it with a little bit of spinach, seasoning, and also minced garlic. Now it's time for the steak. I just flip the steak and I time it like 1 minute on each side, but I basically just cook it until it's kind of like golden brown on the outside. I like my steak medium rare, by the way. This is what the steak looks like. It literally looks so good and perfect.
I'm so hot, but I have to, it's like 40 degrees outside. I might even be cold. And the sun is like, I just want to like feel the cold air. I got these camo, I actually bought it and I have not started it yet. Pants on, and I have this Skims long.
New Delisa Drench Body Butter.
Like 30.
Always such a good day whenever I cook all of my meals and it turns out good. You guys don't get it. Usually that doesn't always happen, but this year I really want to get into cooking, actually enjoy it, actually make some good stuff. That is it.